Jai Gurudev, good morning. Today is your maths test and I'm going to read out the question paper for you so that you have no confusions. So let's have a look at your question paper.
Here is your question paper, but before you start writing, make sure you write your full name, roll number, standard and subject clearly on the cover page of your supplementary or answer paper. Now let's see the first question. You can see here a map of Gujarat with so many districts shown inside. You have to answer the questions which are given below. No need to write the questions. You can directly put the question number correctly and write the answers. First question is, which districts will you have to cross from Ahmedabad to Narmada? You can find Ahmedabad in the map and also Narmada. And when you move from Ahmedabad to Narmada, which all districts will come in the way? You have to mention those names. Second one is, in which direction is Aravali district situated from Kutch? So find out where is Aravali district and in which direction it is, east, west, north or south. You have to mention that. Which district shares its border with Morbi? Find out where is Morbi and see which all districts are sharing the border or are its neighbors. Fourth question is, which district is located at the north of Patan? So look for Patan and see in the north direction which district is there. Fifth one is, write the names of two districts whose boundaries touch the coastline. Gujarat has got a long coastline. So many districts are there. You have to write any two names. Now moving to question 2. Here you can see a candle being drawn in a grid. The picture of the candle is drawn in the measured grid of 1 centimeter. This same picture you have to draw on a measured grid of 2 centimeter. And also after drawing the picture, you have to write down that how much bigger is your drawn picture than the original picture. So the bigger boxes are 2 centimeter length and 2 centimeter wide boxes. So either you use your maths notebook and use double the number of boxes, because one box in your maths notebook is of 1 centimeter. So instead of 4 boxes, you have to use 8, and lengthwise you have 6. So you have to use 12 boxes and make the candle exactly as shown in the picture. Use the number of boxes accordingly. Then moving to third question. Here in this third question, a map is shown. You have to look at the map and answer the questions which are asked. One important thing is, this map is having the direction as well as scale. So you have to answer your questions according to the scale which is given. First question is, what is the length and width of the library? So this length and width of the library has to be according to the scale, that is in meters. Then second question is, what is at the east side of the office? Find out where is office and what is in its east. Mention that. Third is, what is the width of the garden? This width again you have to measure it and write it in meters. Fourth is, which class is located at the opposite side of standard 7? Next to computer room is standard 6 and next to that is standard 7. So you have to find out what is opposite to standard 7, which classroom. Fifth question is, whose area is more out of the assembly ground and the playground? Answer these questions. Here also no need to write the questions. You can directly write the answers. No need to draw the map at all. Coming to question 4. Look carefully at the shape given below and write yes below the shapes which forms a cube, no below the shapes which do not form the cube. Right, you have to draw the pictures here correctly in order. First picture should be drawn first, second should be drawn second, and below that you have to write yes or no. Those who make the cube, you have to write yes, and those are not the nets of a cube, underneath that you have to write no. And question 5 is, there are two questions in question 5. A is draw actual picture of a cube. And second one is draw actual picture of the box which is given below. So you have to draw these two pictures and do this work neatly in your answer paper. I am repeating again, no need to write questions. Only at some places where needed you have to draw. Like in question 4 you have to draw the diagrams which are given. Question 5 they have asked you to draw the diagram. Question 2 you have to draw the candles. So do your paper neatly. All the best.